Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download PayPal app and enable 2FA step by step clearly. To download the PayPal app, start by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type PayPal. Tap on the official PayPal app in the search results. Press the Get or Install button to begin the download. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, locate the PayPal app on your home screen. Tap to open the PayPal app. If you already have an account, select the Login option. Enter your email address and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, select Sign Up to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your new PayPal account. Next, to enable tap on the gear icon or menu icon to enter settings. Look for a security or account security option. Select two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to enable 2FA. You may be given the option to receive a code via text message or an authentication app. Choose your preferred method and follow the setup instructions. Once set up, you will receive a verification code whenever you log in. Enter the code when prompted to verify your identity. You have now successfully downloaded the PayPal app and enabled two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.